Hey, hi, this is Sandeep, and I'm really excited to welcome you to the GMAT live demo session at Top 1%. Before we actually meet for the live demo session, I have a little request to make. There are 3 steps that I'd like you to follow for the maximum value out of the session. The first thing is we'll be showing you some of the most recent real GMAT problems in each of the areas: quantitative and verbal, problem solving, data sufficiency, sentence correction, critical reasoning, and reading comprehension. This will really give you a very clear insight into what the GMAT is testing these days. Later, you'll be taken through some of the traps that this exam lays for you and that you can fall into and how to avoid those traps. And the third step is we'll explain to you how we help you in each of the GMAT areas: RC, SC, CR, and Quant. Once you are done with these 3 steps, we will meet for the live demo session. So please get cracking with the 3 steps. My teammate will help you with each step. Okay, there's another thing. In case you have no idea about what the GMAT is and what the structure of the GMAT is, what the pattern is, how the scoring is done, in that case, please continue watching this video for a few minutes. Otherwise, if you are already familiar with the GMAT, in that case, you can skip this video and move on to step number 1. So for those people who are staying up, let's see. Okay, so you see here, there are 4 areas on the GMAT: quantitative, verbal, analytical writing assessment, and integrated reasoning. These 2 areas do not contribute to your score out of 800. So these are grades that you have to qualify. The remaining 2 areas are the most important areas and they contribute to your score out of 800. Now, quantitative obviously means math. It has 31 questions to be solved in 62 minutes, exactly 2 minutes per question, having 2 different areas: data sufficiency and problem solving. We will be soon introducing you to the actual questions that have been asked recently in each of these areas. In the verbal section, you have 36 questions, roughly 12 questions, you can imagine, from reading comprehension, critical reasoning, and sentence correction. The total time given is 65 minutes. Remember, in all the cases, the questions are totally jumbled. You can expect about half the questions from DS here, about half the questions from PS. And in this case, you can expect about 1/3 of the questions, 1/3 of the questions, 1/3 of the questions, roughly, from these sections. The remaining 2 areas, as I said, are not important, but they are definitely covered in a course in extreme detail. So this is the GMAT exam. Another thing, these sections are scored slightly differently from a linear scale, and each of them can give you a score between 0 and 51, 0 and 51. Let's see what happens when you get these scores. So in this case, if this is the verbal score for you, you're given some rankings. If you get this up to 51, that is the maximum score. In the quant section, if you get up to 51, that is the maximum score. If you get 51, 51 in both of them, you get a score of 800, as is evident. You can get various scores in various different ways. You can score high on the quant section and low on the verbal section, or low on the quant section and high on the verbal section. For example, the score of 700 can be attained in many ways. As of now, you should not bother about what 51 means, what 50 means, etc. This will explain to you in great detail in our actual course. I believe you now know what kind of questions are asked, and as an illustration, you will be taken through all these types of questions from the recent real GMAT exam in the first step. All right. So as I said, you are now completely ready to go to step number 1. The top 1% team will guide you further. I'll see you soon in the live demo. Get cracking with it. All right. Do the 3 steps extremely sincerely. Be very honest and committed. Whatever the steps are, then only you will be able to extract so much value out of the session. Please remember, I want to give you an extraordinary amount of value in the demo session. For that, it is absolutely compulsory that you do these 3 steps. All right. See you soon then. Bye-bye.